great power comes great responsibilities. I am Jaivardhan Chaudhary, head boy of DPS RN Extension. When I was younger, I thought being the head boy meant giving speeches and maybe getting more PE periods once in a while. But now I know it's about showing up every day for people, for the school, and for something bigger than myself. This badge is not just pinned to my shirt, it is stitched into the heart of that child who cried, who failed, but never gave up. So yes, I am the head boy. No, I don't have any superpowers. Yes, I am not perfect. But I can promise you that I will show up every day with all of my heart, accountability, and hopefully my ID card. And now you have to promise me that no matter how hard it gets, you will hold on to hope, kindness, and empathy. And even if you lose, just remember, a loss that makes you humble is any day better than a win that makes you arrogant. Thank you so much.